This is the most concise video you will see online concerning affiliate marketing, and there is one promise by the end of this playlist, that after watching this video step by step, following it and taking down all the things that I'm going to list out in this video, you won't need to buy another affiliate marketing course for you to start promoting people's products. Trust me, this is the real deal that you need to get as a beginner who wants to venture into affiliate marketing. And all things being said and done, let's get right into it. Now, before we get into any complexities, we need to understand first of all what affiliate marketing is. Affiliate marketing, in its simplest term, is promoting other people's products and getting paid a commission when someone buys through your affiliate link. So it's just like you are selling a shoe for your friend and you help them find buyers. Once you help them find buyers, for every shoe that you sold, you get 5,000. That is simply affiliate marketing. This is exactly how affiliate marketing works. Affiliate marketing works in these 5 simple steps that you need to take them critically for you to actually start getting money from affiliate marketing. The very first step is finding a product. Now, you need to find products on platforms that offer these affiliate services. Example, we have Seller, you have Stakeout, you have Expertnia, you have Digistem, and so many others that provide these affiliate services. So you find a product to promote. After that, you get your special link, and you also get your special link from that platform that you are promoting for. Then you share your link online. Now, the sharing of link online is the method of promoting that product that you are trying to sell. After that, someone clicks and buys, and after someone clicks and buys, you get a commission. So this is a simple 5-step process, and it goes in circles for you to actually start making money through affiliate marketing. So after you found a product on this platform, you get your special link from the platform, you share your link online, and then someone clicks on that link. Once they buy, you get paid a commission for that sale that you've made, and you can do this as many times as possible and get a lot of money. We have platforms like Stakeout, Seller, Expertnia, and Digistem. This platform offers affiliate services where people can come to those platforms and promote their products for free and get paid a commission for each product that you promote. And you can also promote things like online courses, ebooks, training programs, and so on and so forth to people who need them and get money. Affiliate marketing stands on 3 major grounds, which is traffic, trust, and value. Now, how does traffic, trust, and value affect this? Traffic, first of all, is the people who see your content or people who are in need of what you want to sell. And after that, you also have trust. Now, people need to trust you for them to actually start buying. So this is what you need to know as someone who is getting into affiliate marketing. Once you give value, you build trust, and once you build trust, you start generating traffic into your business. So basically, this is what makes affiliate marketing work. Anyone who is serious about making money online can actually do affiliate marketing. So students, job seekers, stay-at-home moms, small creators, business people, literally anyone with a phone and an internet connection with a social media account can start affiliate marketing on the go. And you don't need to be famous to actually start affiliate marketing. So how do you start as a beginner? This is how you start as a beginner. You learn the basics of affiliate marketing from videos like this or a free class. So if you go through this playlist, I promise you that you will learn all you need to know about affiliate marketing, from the traffic generation, from the lead generation to the promotion model, and different things that you need to know about making money through affiliate marketing. So after you've learned the basics, you pick a platform. You can pick a platform like Stakeout, Seller, or any other affiliate marketing platform that allows you to get a link and promote their products. So a lot of affiliate platforms are there for people in Nigeria and Africa and other continents. Also, choose a niche or product you understand. When you talk about niche is a specified problem that you're solving, or a specified industry that you're solving their problem. For example, video editing is a niche, graphic design is a niche, self-help is a niche, email marketing is a niche. So pick a niche on what you understand or what you think you can promote and start going all into that niche. Then you create simple content to explain that product, so people won't buy what they don't understand. So while you're promoting that product, you explain the product to whoever it is that you're buying, and once you've done that, people can now clearly understand and know if that product is for them. Then they will think of making a buying decision. And what you need to do next is to post consistently and drive traffic. So posting consistently makes people to see your content over and over. It helps your content to also get to new audiences who may likely be in need of what you're promoting. And once you consistently do that, you start generating traffic, which are people that comes or clicks on the link to actually want to buy your products. Now, this is what you need to do. After watching this video, click on the link around this video or check, you will see the next video here where I'll be talking about or diving deeper into other things about affiliate marketing. So watch the next video on this series and go to the link in the description. You will see the link to my free class or my private mentorship group, WhatsApp group, where you can join and you can have personal interaction with me, and drop "I am interested" in the comment, like, subscribe to this page. See you in my next video.